Hey adventurers, if you're tired of the crowded tourist traps, I've got the perfect upstate New York secret, Salmon River Falls. This 110-foot beast drops into a stunning gorge and is just a short drive from Syracuse and Watertown. Let's go chase some waterfalls. We're heading to a waterfall so hidden most New Yorkers don't know it exists.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Falls Road. Arrive at Salmon River Falls.
Yes, this trail is handicap accessible. Salmon River Falls Trail is only 0.2 of a mile. Can you hear the water? Wow. Check this out. The Salmon River carved this gorge over centuries. So here's a fun fact. Native tribes like the Onondaga fished here for Atlantic salmon back in the day, and it was their seasonal spot. But heads up, no fishing or swimming here. Fines are steep. Literally. But let justice run down like waters, and righteousness as a mighty and ever-flowing stream. Here's a quick backstory. Built for hydropower in 1912, saved by the state in 93, now it's a unique area protecting rare plants and critters. Let's see if we see any critters. Extremely steep. It's only 1/10 of a mile. Going down is easy, coming back, not so easy. I'll take you to the top of it, but we're not going down. Yeah, we're not going down. And they heard the sound of the Lord God walking in the garden in the cool of the day. This is where the power from the nearby dam used to dry it up in the 1900s. But now it's flowing strong and powerful again. Past accidents here in the 60s era turned it into a state park for safety. Family friendly, wheelchair accessible to overlooks, but winters for ice climbers only, and you have to register ahead of time. It takes about 1 to 2 hours. at these braves walking down the trail. See how steep that is? Those are the stairs coming down to the gorge. No, thank you. Okay, we just climbed 44 steps. So glad we didn't do the other stairs. Whew. No bugs. Awesome. Hey adventurers, if you're Hey adventurers, I've got the perfect I said it wrong already.
I'll start again.